In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Behance location. Your location on Behance helps the platform show your work to the right audience, surface relevant job opportunities, and keep your profile accurate. Let's walk through the quick update so your profile reflects where you are. Start by signing in to Behance. Once you are in, look to the top right corner for your avatar, the small circular profile image. Click it to open your account menu. From that drop-down, select Edit Profile Info. This takes you to the page where you control your public details. On this page, find the section labeled Location. You'll see two fields, country or region, and city or town. This is the only area we're working in today. First, click the country or region drop-down and choose your country from the list. Using the official country name here helps Behance categorize your profile correctly across its network. Next, click into the city or town field and begin typing your city. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear. Make sure to select your city from that suggested list rather than just pressing enter. Choosing a recognized option ensures your profile ties into Behance's location-based search and filters. If your city has multiple variations or spellings, pick the one Behance suggests to avoid duplicates. And if you don't immediately see your city, type a few more letters to narrow the results until the correct option shows up. Once you've selected both your country and your city, you don't need to look for a Save button. Behance saves these fields automatically. Simply click anywhere outside the location field on a blank spot of the page and your changes are stored. When the field loses focus and the suggestion box disappears, that's your visual cue that the update has been captured. Accurate recognized location data helps your work appear in local discovery, informs the Hire Me flow for clients in your area, and improves recommendations across the site. If you ever move or need to make a correction, come back to the same Edit Profile Info page and repeat these steps. Select your country. Type your city, choose it from the suggestions, and click outside the field to save. And that's it. Thanks for watching.